What's the meaning of centerboard? Centerboard. Centerboard.
Centerboard. Centerboard. A centerboard is a retractable fin-like structure located in the center of a sailboat's hull. When lowered, the centerboard provides additional lateral resistance to prevent the boat from drifting sideways. This helps to enhance the boat's stability and maneuverability when sailing upwind. When not needed, the centerboard can be raised, reducing drag and allowing the boat to sail more efficiently. Overall, the centerboard is an important component of a sailboat's design that enables sailors to control their vessel's speed and direction more effectively.